the world of business, applying for projects on platforms like Malt, Freelancer Map, Sortlist is a race against time. It's a daily grind, one that can overwhelm even the most dedicated teams. But what happens if you land the project? Well, for most small teams, suddenly the race to apply takes a backseat and opportunities slip away because they need to focus on service delivery. Our client, a web design agency based in the UK, had this exact same problem. The majority of their business came from applying for projects on all those platforms. If they wanted to be successful, they needed to sift through the listings, filter for the right fit, and craft personalized proposals, which became an impossible task once they actually landed a couple of clients. They were stuck in the cycle of feast or famine, and they needed a way out. So we rolled up our sleeves, and together we built a solution that didn't just keep up with the listings, but it put most of the proposal process on autopilot. In this video, we are going to walk through how we used AI to automatically sift through all those project listings, identify the right matches, and generate winning proposals, all while maintaining the personal touch that dramatically increased conversion rate. The outcome? They 10x'd their proposals with a workflow that runs like clockwork and reduced the time they spent doing it. I've documented it in a detailed case study. It's yours to download. Just click the link in the description and get it for free. Hi, so in case you don't know me yet, my name is Marvin Aziz and I help service-based businesses to automate their most crucial and time-intensive tasks. To not only save them time, energy, stress and money, but actually make them more money, happier clients, increase customer retention. So think systems and automations for qualifying leads, lead generation, onboarding, nurturing the actual service delivery and feedback loops. So all of these tasks can be partly or fully automated using no-code tools, and that's what I built for my clients. So enough of that, let's jump into the case study. So as mentioned in the introduction, we're talking about a web design agency, and they create custom websites and designs, and they were basically overwhelmed with the amount of project applications they needed to sort through manually from several online platforms, right? They went through a really high volume of project offers via email and tried to apply for, and before that, obviously filter the not fitting listings and then apply for the right ones, right? It's really important with these listings to be on time, right? So if you're applying for a listing 1 week, 2 weeks after it's been posted, most of the times it already got like 100 applicants. So you really need to stand out by being quick and with a high quality application. So the objective was to create an automated system that quickly organizes project offers, allowing the agency to concentrate on crafting personalized responses, basically. Okay, and the emphasis is on personalized, right? So you don't want to send out general applications to project listings because, well, the conversion rate is fairly low. Okay, so let's jump into the roadmap, right? First, we started by conducting a workshop together where I tried to understand their situation, and then I created a broad roadmap, right? So this right here on the top is the project application review process, right? So they got their listings via email, and they get multiple listings in one email basically. And what we wanted to do is process that email and scrape all the websites that belong to the listing to get the data out of that, right? And then we filter for, well, the right fits only, and we check the starting date. If the starting date is below 1 month, that's perfect for us because we are in time and it's really urgent, right? So we actually put it on another Google Sheet, right, for the urgent applications. But before that, we actually optimize the data for easy readability. right? So if this listing is a great match, we prepared the ChatGPT with some information about the agency, so it knows exactly which of those listings is perfect and what might be reasons to apply for that project, right? If the listing is older than 1 month, we still do the AI part, but we put it on another sheet, right? So this was important for the agency just to make sure the urgent listings get done first, each and every day. And then, only then, if there's nothing left, we go for the older listings, right? Because the conversion rate was so low for them. So that's the organizational part, right? We prepare every listing, we filter the listings, and now they have a Google Sheet with all the best matches for the agency, really. They can go through and decide whether or not to apply for that. And they do so by simply, they have this list and they simply add 1 or 2 reasons for the application, right? So they have this field with reasons, and they add the reason for applying for these for this project. Maybe they have done similar projects in the past. Maybe they got free capacity at the moment for exactly that kind of project, right? So as soon as they are done and they say, well, let's apply for the listing, they can simply click the checkbox, apply now, and it will go ahead, it will trigger the automation software Make to send that data to OpenAI and create an email paragraph out of that. And what we did here is we actually prepared ChatGPT with a knowledge base. We told ChatGPT what kind of service offers the agency has, what testimonials are available, and reference projects, previous reference projects of the agency, so that ChatGPT is able to create a personalized application paragraph which mentions maybe testimonials, maybe a reference project they did in the past, and obviously the right service offer for them to offer. Okay, so then it gets processed in Make with a template we prepared beforehand, and we send that email to the listing owner. And that does not always work because the listings actually don't always supply the email address of the owner. So if it works, great, we update the Google Sheet with send. And if it doesn't work, we send a Slack notification to the agency salesperson, right? So they basically can quickly take a look and apply manually for however it's necessary. Maybe a call is necessary. Maybe they have a apply button on the page, which we are not able to find through the automation. And then we also update the sheet. So that's the whole automation basically. It looks like that in Make. So we watch the emails, we manipulate the data, we iterate over the listings, and we get all the data from all the different listings and put it into some variables basically, right? So as soon as we got that, we decide if it's longer than 1 month or younger than 1 month, and we add it to Google Sheet, right? And the second one, fairly simple, straightforward. It watches the sheet. As soon as the checkbox gets hit, we trigger the ChatGPT knowledge base prompt, and then we put everything into the template and we send the email. If it works, we update the row. If it doesn't work, we send the Slack notification and update the row as well. So they always know what's happening, right? And that's it. Well, I hope this sparked some ideas for you, for your own business. I mean, there's so many possibilities to work with this, especially the part with OpenAI's knowledge base and the assistants is so interesting to me because you can do so much with it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you in the next one.